Hello, Nadine here today, and I'm going to show you how I made an acetate card using, this is a stamp set from Visible Image. It's called Erika's Maple. And then, like I said, also some acetate. This is 8.5 by 11 inch sheets, and I cut it in half. So we'll make a card like that. And I'm also going to be using some VersaMark and some gold embossing powder. Okay, since this is 8.5 inches long, I'm going to go at 4 1/4, and not using the cutting blade, but using the oops, that is the cutting blade. Let's try that over. Using the embossing blade. I'm just going to emboss it right along there. So then I can just fold it. Okay, now that I have the acetate piece folded in half, I'm taking the stamp set. I just put it on a block right here, several of the big leaves on there, and then I'm just taking the VersaMark, I'm going to ink those up and stamp it onto the front of my card. Okay, since the VersaMark is clear, you can't really see it stamped on there, but once I pour the gold embossing powder, you will see it start to show up. Okay, so now taking the sentiment, falling leaves of red and gold dancing on the breeze, I'm going to take that sentiment and a couple of the small leaves, and I'm going to stamp those on a white piece of cardstock, and I'm using the VersaMark. I'm also going to use my embossing buddy on here. And I'm going to emboss this with the gold. Okay, so I cut some fall paper that I've had for a really long time, and I'm just going to adhere the sentiment down onto the center of one of these. And then I also cut another one that is just blank. I'm going to adhere that onto another one of them. And then taking some Tear-It tape, adding it to all four, all the way around. Okay, so I just peeled the backing off partially, so that way I have places to hold it, and I can go to the back side of my card where I didn't do the leaves, and I can just lay this down, centering it into the card, and then I can just go through and peel that off. So it'll be like that. And then on the inside, with this card that just has the blank, I'm going to center it right over the top of that. This will give a place to write on the inside of the card. And then next I'm taking this one and I'm going to go to the back side of it, adding more tape. Okay, so this piece I am going to lay upside down in here right over the top, like that, and then I am just going to close the top of my card and place it on there so that way it sticks right on there where it's supposed to go. And now I'm going to do the last one, and I'm just going to center it right over the top of my card like that. And there it is, a super simple way to create a clear card. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the bell so you get notifications when I do create new videos, and hit the like button if you like my video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.